Hi guys, this is Samir, the reading instructor at Sydney PTE Study Center, and today I'm here to present another 79 seconds video for your help. Now guys, today we'll be discussing about summarized written text. So in summarized written text, there are marks for grammar. So after you pick out the main ideas, the next thing you need to do is to connect those ideas using appropriate conjunctions. And in that, you have marks for placing commas at the right locations. So guys, always remember, whenever you are using common conjunctions like and, but, so, and which, then you have to place a comma before them if you are joining two ideas which are independent of each other. So that's a common rule in English. And in summarized written text, whenever we join two main ideas, they are generally independent of each other. So always remember, when you're using conjunctions, you have to place a comma before the conjunction while joining the main ideas. Now, in order to understand what I mean by this, let's have a look at this example. So as you can see, we have two paragraphs here, and the text in blue is your main idea. So now we'll combine these main ideas using so. So we use so as a conjunction here because one main idea leads to the formation of the other main idea. So here you can see that when I join them using so, this is how my final summary looks like. So guys, again, thank you very much. This is the 79 seconds video for a 79 plus score.